Hello everyone, welcome once again. Myself Jyoti Tiwari and I am teaching you chapter life processes. Okay, so today we are going to study about lymph. Actually, there is one more fluid present in our body which help in transportation, okay, along with blood. So lymph is a white fluid, okay, it is white fluid. Why it is white? Because in this fluid there is absence of hemoglobin. There is absence of hemoglobin. In blood, there due to presence of hemoglobin, blood is seems to be red. Okay, blood color appear to be red, and in white fluid there is absence of hemoglobin. So what does lymph do? In lymph there is presence of plasma, blood cells, protein, etc. Okay, so from blood vessels, when blood vessels, blood is flowing here, few of things get out of the blood vessels. Okay, how these things come out? Due to presence of small pores in the blood vessels. In blood vessel there are small pores, and due to these pores plasma, blood cells, protein, etc. come out. Okay, and this fluid is present in interstitial space. Interstitial space means this space is present between organs and tissues. This fluid is present. Okay, and this fluid later goes to what? Fine capillaries. What are these fine capillaries called? Lymphatic capillaries. Okay, so this fine fluid goes to lymphatic capillaries, and lymphatic capillaries drain these plasma, blood cells, protein, etc. into veins and okay, veins. And after that, you know the function of veins. What does veins do? Veins carry this blood away from cells and carry it to heart. Now next topic is I am going to discuss transportation in plants. There is also transportation takes place in plants. Of what things are transported in plant? In plant there is transportation of water as well as food. Okay, so let's understand it here. Okay, here this is a plant. Okay, and this is the root of plant, and here soil is present. In soil there is presence of ions. What are ions? Ions are sodium ion, calcium ion. Okay, so such type of potassium ions are present in soil. These ions are uptake by root. When root absorb these ions, there is increase in ion concentration inside root. Whenever you eat food, if it is salty, you need to drink water. Now means here it is salts are taken up by root. So now root need what? Water. So to balance this ion concentration in root uptake water from soil. Okay, water is uptaken by root. Now root have these xylem tissues. These xylem tissue take root and transport it in upper body surface. In upper body surface, there is a pressure work of what kind of pressure is this? Suppose here is sun and sunlight is falling in this plant. Okay, sunlight is falling in this plant. So there is increasing temperature. There is increasing temperature, and in leaves there is presence of what? Stomata. There is presence of what? Stomata. So due to rise in temperature, the stomata pore, this is called pore, is opened. Pore is opened. So it lose its water in atmosphere. Okay, so there is scarcity of water takes place. To fulfill this scarcity of water, it create a pressure that I need water. Okay, so this signal goes to down, and xylem send water, transport water in upper region of the plant. In upper region of the plant, like whenever you take a straw and drink your cold drink, you apply a pressure, no, suction pressure, you apply a pressure. Such type of pressure takes place here also. Due to opening of this pore, pressure is created and water is uptaken by plant from root to above region. Okay, so this process is also called transpiration. This process is called transpiration. Although I have already told you that plant absorb carbon dioxide. So from where carbon dioxide is taken up? Through this pore. Carbon dioxide is taken up and water is loosened up, and sunlight is playing role to provide energy, and this pore of stomata has been open at the time. Okay, this is stomata present in leaf. Okay, now this is the transportation of water. Phloem. So what does the phloem do? Actually, you know, when this stomata will be open and this process is taking place, leaf synthesize food by the process of photosynthesis. So here food is synthesized. So phloem is a kind of tissue found in the plant cells, and these phloem transport food which plant is preparing, sucrose. Okay, so it transport sucrose to other part like fruit and in other part of the plant. So food is transported in the downside part of the plant body. Okay, so transportation of food takes place by phloem, don't forget it, and transportation of water takes place by xylem. It is very important. Okay, so please keep it in mind. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for watching.